싶어질 위에 때 몰려다보는 구름 위를 닿는 듯한 기분이 들어. You know where to go 기다리고서 괜히 한 달이 나 작은 진동에도 I want us to get there in this moment in love. Sunlight dances on the balcony as I wait for thee to come home. I fold over words and miles of this when you're in that dress. Glad you're home. Will you stay with me? Never leave. You walked into my life and I am glad you came, glad you came. When you're not around I've been broken, glad you came, glad you came. I was lost till I fell in your eyes, had me wondering why I feel like home. I hold you close so you're by my side till the end of time before we go. We stay with me, never leave. You walked into my life and glad you came, glad you came. When you're not around I've been broken, glad you came, glad you came, glad you came, glad you came, glad you came. I'm glad you came.
감싸. 야, 너 진짜.
I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet. Sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me. Is it the place we used to love? Is this the place that I've been dreaming of? Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired, I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? This could be the end of everything, so why don't we go somewhere only we know? Somewhere only we know.
Way back when we started, you guarded your heart away. You wanted to fight this feeling. I thought it was nothing, we turned into something else. Now when I take a look around, this is just what I wanted. I thought that we were going down. I'm so glad that I fought it, 'cause we're here now, baby. We were on and on again. But this time around, I see it through a different lens. I thought that we were going down. I'm so glad that we fought it. Baby, we were on and on and on and off again. But this time around I see it through a different lens. Now that we're standing in the sunlight, now that I'm looking into your eyes, it feels right. We were always on and on and on and off again. This time I swear it's different. This time I swear it's different. This time I swear it's different.
Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired, I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? This could be the end of everything, so why don't we go somewhere only we know? Somewhere